Welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're working on an LG refrigerator with no power and no lights. As you can see on the display, it's completely blank. And as you open the doors, no lights, no power. This is a main control board issue. So what we're going to do, we're going to get behind the fridge, obviously unplug it. You're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and take the back panel off. Okay, now we're going to move the coax from the main control board. When you remove the harnesses, make sure not to yank on the wires. There's a clip that you press down on and then you pull and you kind of wiggle side to side until it comes out, as you see. Just be patient, it may take a little time. Okay, right here, if you look good enough, you'll see the control board is kind of clipped in there with side clips. So what I recommend is taking a flathead and gently pressing back and pull forward. It's some type of clip that holds the board in place, as you'll see. Okay, that's it. So now we're going to get the new main control board. Okay, so when we put this main control board in, we're going to make sure we slide it in to the right first. Goes in between two clips, and then when you press the control board in, make sure you remove all the wires behind it. And when you press on the new control board, make sure you press on something solid. Okay, so once you have everything clicked in, you just reconnect the wire and harnesses. Okay, now we're going to plug in the unit and make sure the compressor turns on in the fence. You should hear it turn on within 5 seconds. Once you verify it is turned on, unplug it. Now we're just going to make sure we put the back panel back on. Okay, as you can see here, we do have power, and when we open the doors, we do have lights. The compressor is running. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.